Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about YouTube, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete a video from your YouTube channel? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, this is going to be a really quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to delete a video from your YouTube channel? Well, that's pretty easy. Maybe you've changed directions on your YouTube channel and some of your content just doesn't match the theme. Whatever the case is a pretty easy process. It's handled here in the YouTube Studio app. It's this red and white one right here on the left. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I'm going to go ahead and open my YouTube Studio app now. Okay guys, I went ahead and opened up my YouTube Studio app. This is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to delete a video from your YouTube channel, first you have to find the video. So you want to click on this button down here on the bottom left. It's called Content. It looks like a little play button. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see a long list of all the videos that you have on your YouTube channel. If you don't see the video for some reason, you need to choose which selection. So you can choose to delete a video, delete a short. If it was a live broadcast, you can click there, or a playlist. For me today, I'm going to delete a short video. So we're going to go ahead and delete this one right here. And in order to delete the video, you actually have two different ways you can do it. The first is you can click on these three little dots here on the right side. Once you click there, you're going to see this pop up here at the bottom, and you can click on this delete button. It has a little trash button. The other way you can do it is go ahead and just click directly onto the video itself. Once you click on the video, it's going to show a larger thumbnail. And then in order to delete, you click on this little pen icon here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop down menu, and you want to look for this line right here called More Options. Once you click on More Options, you're going to see this button down here at the bottom called Delete from YouTube. Once you click on that button, it's going to confirm that you would like to delete your video from YouTube. If so, go ahead and click on this white delete button. All right, just a quick second later, the page refreshes, and now you can see my video on my YouTube channel has now been deleted. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete a video on YouTube, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.